Hello everyone, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at the RTC Training Center. I'm here to share with you what is education based. As you know, our platform or our YouTube channel called RTC, we are education based platform. The next topic of today, our dear followers, today we are going to discuss on the decoder. Most of your home, you have reception electronic equipments which help you to receive signals through your antennas. Today we are going to discuss on the decoder and also how to repair or troubleshoot or to maintain your decoder at your home place. First of all, you may ask yourself, what is a decoder? The decoding of a message is how an audience member is able to understand and interpret a message or a process of interpretation or translation of content of information into comprehensive form. That is the meaning of the decoding of a message. You may ask you how to decode a message, how it went and how it's happened. It's happening through your antenna, through your receiving decoder or reception decoder by the use of the reception antenna. As we finish to know the functionality of the decoder, the functionality or the process based on how to receive the information through the reception antenna up to the decoder or the reception equipments used in telecommunication systems. Now on for us, we need to see the general faults based on the power supply of the decoder. Why you need to repair or to replace the power supply of the decoder? Firstly, you connect your decoder to the outlet socket and then it's not working properly. In that case, there's a failure of the decoder. You need to replace or to check or to troubleshoot the main failure of the power supply of this decoder. As usual, by the use of a digital multimeter, you go to the different main parts of the decoder, but as usual, you can't reach the power supply of the decoder without doing the disassembling. As I say that disassembling is to break down, to separate one device to many pieces. You do it slowly and carefully as a professional technician. By the use of that screwdriver, as you can see, you unscrew or open or screw of this decoder to reach the power supply of this decoder. So, by the use of a digital multimeter, I check the transformer or the chopper transformer, I see if it's responding perfectly. And of course, I have to go to the fuse to see if the fuse is not blown up, because the fuse is used to protect the whole circuit against the overcurrent. And after that, I go to the rectifier, check each diode. Through this bridge rectifier, I made with 4 diodes, each and every one, in order to make sure that they are working properly. The next step is to go to the main capacitor, to check whether it's not blown up, and finally see the regulator if it's responding perfectly. While I'm checking the transmission of the current, the voltage through this power supply, as you know, while we went to rectify a decoder, you select different tools, materials, and equipment used while repairing a decoder. As you can see at your own screen, you do it slowly, carefully, in order to make it perfectly. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have learned much based on how to repair a decoder, especially the general fault of a decoder. If the decoder is not on while you connect the decoder to the outlet socket and then it's not responding perfectly, in that case you know that the decoder has a failure based on the power supply. So we have learned how to rectify or to troubleshoot different failures of a power supply of a decoder. As we already learned into our previous session, which is power supply repair, we have learned how to troubleshoot the failure of a power supply. Now our decoder is working properly. The next step is to check whether the connection or the connectivity with the antenna is responding perfectly. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have learned much more to this topic, which is decoder repair, especially the power supply. And also I remind you to share with your beloved ones and also to your friends, and to remind them to press the notification bell to get the new content at time. See you next time. Enjoy.